his tail is tied.
Don't let him get under the boat.
He ain't done.
Oh, he's green. Are you gonna get the? Anybody gonna try to use the net or not?
No. Get him out. Pull him out.
Ryan, you gonna want the net too?
Put the rod down in the water. There you go. There you go. Come across. There you go.
Oh, Christ, way back here.
Get my shit out of there now.
Long as that doesn't help my legs.
Yeah, Dad, keep fucking it up.
Hey, go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Joey, ride in the water.
Shit, I'm empty anyway. I ain't got a damn thing here. Strip my ass. Get his
Hair out of the way. Collapse it. Just, yeah, there you go. Just watch out, they're just gonna jump.
All right, look, let's get it. We bring them on.
We got gas, we got nets.
We're gonna bring that one on, aren't we?
Hell yeah, we're bringing him on.
Joey said, hell yeah, I'm bringing it on. I'm taking that home and cooking it on the grill this week.
Yeah.
As long as Brian don't beat him.
Just don't beat him off, Brian.
Oh, he's a nasty.
He's a nasty.
He ain't done yet.
He's not done, he's gonna take off again.
Whose line's wrapped? Whose line's wrapped?
Right here's that.
This one.
Hell, this is up there.
Always.
That's a nice one, ain't it? I can't get under him one time.
Sharon's bigger than that one? That's a good job.
Probably. I mean, I don't want to.
Under and back.
Take that
Hand it
rod.
back to me, Dick.
Dad,
Yeah, get that over there.
Nope.
That's the, I don't know what line that is. I think
I've got about six.
that's the blue line, isn't it? Henry,
got
don't be
six.
beating it up.
Include that fish.
You wanna take one,
waiting on
Dick?
Brian to gas it, and I'm gonna try to back it up.
This fish, this stuff.
What do you got? Be 33?
Illegal.
Huh?
It's legal.
It's illegal?
It's legal.
What are you gonna do? You gonna go for him, Brian?
So you bring him up to the boat.
I'm reeling, but it ain't going.
You all right?
Yeah, it's going out there.
Slowly. Love you.
Oh, God.
Did you lose it?
All right? Yeah, I'm fine.
What happened? You snapped?
That's the line.
Other than that.